Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. So today I'll be cooking Ofe Owerri. This is oha and okazi leaf, and I'll be using goat meat. And I'll be using stockfish, dry fish, and of course snail. For the thickening, I'll be using cocoyam, ede. I'll also be using ogiri, opei, and I'll be using crayfish and ose. Adding pepper. This is goat meat. I'll be adding pepper. Chop oha. This is it. So we'll be turning it, mixing everything very well. See, our Ofe Owerri is almost ready. This is the premium way to cook your Ofe Owerri. Ofe Owerri, they don't rush am. You don't rush to cook your Ofe Owerri. You take it one step at a time, because it's the most expensive soup in the eastern part of Nigeria. The soup of kings and queens. We have our Ofe Owerri, the premium soup for kings and queens from the eastern part of Nigeria. Hope you'll be making this delicious soup for your family, because it's too good to miss out. And thank you once again for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye for now.